Hi guys, as we launch Gmail, I want to make it as user-friendly as possible. So right now I want to show you how to create a shortcut to Gmail that is on a desktop or a laptop. First you have to open up your Gmail, and then I would like you to click on these three dots. That's your menu section. So you click on those three dots and go down to More Tools. When you click More Tools, go over here to Create Shortcut. And then you can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it Gmail. And I'm going to click Create. That will then create a shortcut for me on my desktop page. It looks a little prettier than just dragging. I'll show you. Dragging the lock over. Dragging the lock over will also create a shortcut, but it doesn't give you the icon associated with that Gmail. You have to go through settings and change it. So this is an easy way to do it. Then also right click and pin that to your taskbar, or drag it and drop it down here. We'll give you an icon that is similar to your Outlook. If I click right on my Outlook and I unpin that from my taskbar, the next time I load Windows or when I close this out, it'll go away. So here it's always here whether my Outlook or whether my email is open or not. That will give you a quick and easy way to access your Gmail without having to search your computer for it or search the internet.